So good morning everyone. My name is Swayam and I am the trainer of computer in Premium Computer Classes and English Premium Institute. She is Rajalakshmi and she has completed her all the basic computer classes in our institute. So today she will express all the journey in our premium computer classes. She will express all the things. Okay.
Hello friends, good morning everyone. My name is Adalakshmi Behra. Today I am here to deliver a short speech about my journey in premium computer classes. These are the contents and now let's know about the premium computer classes. Premium computer classes is the best computer classes. It is not only the classes, it's the place of joy and enjoyment. In this institute, we celebrate all the festival with lots of joy. The trainer of premium computer classes is Swayam Swagatam Swami. This institute is located near Ananya Hospital, Baragarh. It was famous because it has also YouTube channel and Instagram, and we have 1K followers. Then, how I joined premium computer classes. So, before 2 years ago, I have joined English Premium Institute. It is a spoken English class. Then I saw some elder students are doing their course in premium computer classes. Then I also thought of doing the course. Then my parents forced to the director Gyanaranjan Pradhan sir to do the course of DCA and PGDCA. Then the main point is faculties for the students. The first point is the fingerprint has been provided for the attendance while going and coming. Second, free Wi-Fi and AC classes are also provided. Third, there are whiteboard, computers and pens for emergency. Fourth, there is also a washroom for the students. Fifth, there is also a television for understanding the basic concepts. Then we will know about the teachers. First, Gyanaranjan Pradhan. He is the director of Premium Computer Classes and English Premium Institute. He manages the whole institute. Then second, Swayam Swagatam Swami. He is the CEO of both Premium Computer Classes and English Premium Institute. He also teaches in both computer tuition and in spoken English classes. Third, Pawan Kumar Swami. He is the trainer of spoken English, means English Premium Institute. He is the best motivator and supporter of each and every student. Fourth, Sonalata Jaina. She is the life skill trainer and of English Premium Institute. She also makes videos of English Premium Institute with the trainer Pawan Kumar Swami sir. Then the main and most important point is the activity classes, means the student of month. In every institute, there is a student of month. Not in every institute, but in some institute, just like premium computer classes. On that day, we all do fun. On that day, we play lots of games and won prizes in different activities. So now let's know what is the meaning of student of math. This means that we all will won the awards in different activities that we are performing good. These types of activities are there because students get more motivated and encouraged in their studies. We click photos on that day. We play lots of games like cop game, bat game, and many more. Then other classes for the students. First, premium computer classes mean the the computer classes by Swayam Swagatam Swami. Second, spoken English means English Premium Institute by Pawan Kumar Swami. Third, Gyanaranjan Pradhan is the director. He teaches in tuition and also sometimes in spoken English classes. Fourth, life skill by Sonalata Jaina. Then my journey at premium computer classes. In my opinion, premium computer classes is the best computer class. It has also got the best award. In these classes, all the teachers and students are really good. We all uh, we all enjoy on that day. When I have joined this class, I was very nervous. But after joining 2 to 3 months, I was very much of confidence and can do things in my own. When first time I have joined this institute, it was the most memorable day of my life. I thought that this institute is the best institute by Google. I have never seen an institute like this. The all we all improve our skills and have confidence because of the trainer of computer class known as the Swam Sagatam Swai sir. He always motivates and supports each and every student. For that only, we also improve our computer courses in premium computer classes. He is the better teacher and also teaches and clears all our doubts. It is the type of class in which all our doubts are cleared line by line and also provides handwritten notes to the students. Then professional courses. First PGDCA, second DCA, third Python, fourth Java, fifth digital marketing, and many more to enhance your skills and career prospects. Then conclusion. To join premium computer classes, must contact Swayam Sagatam Swai, Pawan Kumar Swai, and Gyana Ranjan Pradhan. So, lastly, I'd like to tell that thank you so much for giving me a wonderful chance to speak some lines about my journey at premium computer classes.